Hi, I'm Seth Rotenberger, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize the Appearance Manager to create high-quality renders of a product by creating schemes with different materials and colors. I have a coffee maker already loaded in the design space. When creating a render of a product, only the outermost objects are going to be visible and rendered. Because of this, I have placed only the exterior-facing parts in a group, and I've specifically only loaded those parts to decrease the rendering time. We want to now add perspective to this model to get a good real-world look as we are going to render these schemes later. We can easily change the setting of our perspective to get a more realistic view of the model. Let's now go into the Render tab and load our schemes. I have a scheme for a previous project already created, but we'll ignore it in this demonstration. With the Scheme Navigator opened, we will be able to see all of the appearance schemes we add, the groupings of parts in them, and how to modify them. Let's now make a couple of appearance schemes for this model. The first one I'm going to label red, and the second one will be named blue to correspond to the different colors I will give to them later. The Appearance Designator allows us to group objects together that will vary in terms of visual material from scheme to scheme. All the other components can have a visual material assigned to them, but it won't change from scheme to scheme like the ones from the Appearance Designator do. Our second group will be some of the knobs and trim of the model, and we can select those parts as well. There are a lot of different materials to choose from, but our first scheme will be ABS High Gloss Blue, with the trim and knobs being gray. We can easily move to a different scheme and add our desired materials to it, with the casing being ABS High Gloss Red and the trim and knobs ABS Matte Black. Let's finish editing our associative scheme file by saving it. Our schemes are all complete, and we can now use Raytrace Studio to create our renders. With each iteration, the render gets better and clearer, and the speed will be based on your personal computer. This result looks good, and we can easily switch to the blue scheme and quickly render that model as well. Let's recap what you have seen. You saw me have a coffee maker with only the exterior parts loaded to reduce the render and loading times. I then made two different appearance schemes to differentiate between the different colors that I wanted to add to the model. You then saw me group parts of the model together and add different materials to them. Finally, I rendered an image of the red scheme and then toggled between the blue one and rendered it as well. I would like to thank you for your time and attention.